don't know if I've officially said good morning, but good morning. Happy Monday. It's a new week. It's Sunday to me, by the way. So there's someone creeping. What are you doing? Huh? Can I have a kiss? There? What are you looking for?
That GoPro bag.
The little one? I was just about to sit down to film myself using those Inglot shadows. Brad told me he was leaving like 20 minutes ago. He's fixing to be busted. Busted! I thought you were leaving, mister.
I was.
And I got it on film.
I got distracted.
Imagine that.
Yeah.
So while I get ready this morning, I was going to show y'all some of my like current favorites. And one of them is these Inglot shadows. I got these when I was in Vegas. This is my first Inglot purchase. And I took a picture, I believe, of the shades. So I promise I will list them in the description box. But these are the 4 shades. I like building your own palette because you can get exactly what you want. So I thought I would kind of get ready with y'all using these eyeshadows, but I already did my face makeup. As I use these shadows, which of course I'm just going to do something super simple. While I use these, I'm going to talk about other things that I have been loving this month too, like this foundation. I did a video on it, I think. Maybe it was an Instagram video. I'm going to take this kind of, I don't know, taupey shade. And it's this foundation, the Maybelline 24-Hour Super Stay Foundation. I'm in the color 120 Classic Ivory. I really like this foundation. I've been loving it. That's what I took to Vegas with me. And I'm going to put this in the crease. And the thing about it is it can look cakey pretty quickly. And so you have to barely use any product. Whoa, these, I forget these are so pigmented. Did y'all see that? I barely dipped my brush in there. That could look really bad really quick if you're not careful, like me. Oh my God, really? I've used these shadows every day. I can't believe I forgot that they were that pigmented. Anyway, I'll fix it. So, I have found that if I mix this with like my daily moisturizer, which is the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream, or today I mixed it with the Oborian, this is like it's a CC cream, but it doesn't really have much color to it. It's really just like sunscreen and moisturizer. So anyway, I mixed these two together. I figured with this, the best way to use it is to mix them together and mix it with a moisturizer. And honestly, using it with a beauty blender is probably the best way to do it. I didn't do that today because I was too lazy to wet my beauty blender. Imagine that. Anyways, these shadows are so perfect. Honestly, they blend so nice. I'm drinking Advocare Slim. It's so good. I don't sell Advocare, but the Slim and Spark are my 2 favorite things from Advocare. Okay, this right here is just kind of like it reminds me of like peach smoothie or creme brulee from, is it Makeup Geek? And I'm just putting that right above it, just to add a little bit of warmth, you know? Another thing with that Super Stay foundation that I've found is it's really almost necessary to set it. So I have been using this. You guys, why didn't y'all tell me about this a long time ago? It's the Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is in the color 120 as well. Actually, these are perfect match. And this is the matte and poreless. This is like the best drugstore, or really it's the best pressed powder that I've tried. Like, I really like this. I think they have a loose version too, so I'm gonna have to find me that because this is a clean brush. I really like that Fit Me powder. Oh, have y'all tried it? If you haven't, really give it a shot. Now, I got the MAC and Patrick Star collection under eye setting powder whenever I went shopping with Totally Tika and Kristen Game and Lip Gloss Leslie and a whole bunch of fun girls. Me and Kristen were on the hunt for this Patrick Star setting powder because everybody loves it. well, we found it at Nordstrom, but they only had the sample, like the display out. They didn't have any for sale. And I can't find it at any store. I guess they're sold out. And it was limited edition, so you can never get it. But I have a little sample, and I really, really, really like this. It reminds me of this. It's pretty much the same thing. The La Mer powder. But the MAC one's cheaper, which is why I wanted to get it. But it's sold out. But anyway, so I've been using that to set under my eyes. But the Fit Me powder on the face is perfect. I'm going to use this same brush and dip into that dark shade and just put it on the outer corner here. So I used Final Cut Pro yesterday. Not too sure how I feel about it. I think it's just going to take some getting used to. I really like how you can do different fonts, and I mean there's tons of stuff that I don't even know yet. I've been watching videos about it though. But it's basically, if you're interested, it's basically iMovie on crack, pretty much. It's like the same layout. So I'm just doing the trial version to see if it's worth the money. I'm going to take whatever's left on this brush and just put it on the lower lashes. I'm going to go in with this sparkly shade right here. And I have to wet my brush with this shadow. Of course, with any like lid shade, I usually wet my brush anyway, but look at that. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, so can we talk about how excited I am for my breakfast this morning? I've been thinking about it since last night. That's a lie. I've been thinking about it since, well, forever. I bought that pancake mix yesterday, which I've had this mix before. I'm just taking whatever's left over and kind of putting it up here. I've had that pancake mix before. It's gluten-free and I get it at Sprouts. It was in yesterday's vlog. Anyway, I am going to put peanut butter on it, and I got some yummy pecans. So excited for brunch today. Okay, so a few of my other favorite things. Have y'all tried the NYX Angel Veil? I have been loving this primer. This is so good. Only thing I don't like about this is it is super pricey for drugstore. I want to say this is like $12.99, $15. I don't know, which I think is kind of expensive. So, but I do love it. And then, I've mentioned this a million times, but I have to give one last shout out to the Naked Skin Shapeshifter palette. This is the best palette. I never use the cream side, but this side with all the powders, like I use this every single day. This shade right here is perfect for contour, which is what I have on today. And then this one right here, I take like at the end of my makeup and just kind of like pop it right there in the center, just to brighten that up, because I always get super dark right there. Anyway, I love this darn palette. And then this blush I've been reaching for a ton. It's the Mineralized Blush by MAC in Warm Soul, which everybody talks about. I am wearing it today. I mean, this is like a cult favorite. It's just the perfect everyday kind of neutral, I don't know, perfect for everyday wear blush. So those are the things I've been loving lately. Oh yeah, I got one more thing. Here it is. This still has the tag on it, but I have another one on today. This is the Lululemon, what's it called? The Energy Bra, sports bra. Okay, you guys, I have a big chest. I wear a 34 triple D, so I need a lot of support in a sports bra, and these are the best. Now, I had the one from Lululemon that snaps in the back, but that was the biggest headache to take on and off. So I went in and tried a bunch on, and this, the Energy Bra, is that what I said? Is the best bra. It's the best sports bra I've ever had, and I've tried them all. Nike, Under Armour, Adidas, Athletic, like I've tried everything. So this sports bra is where it's at. It's $52, which is a little bit expensive for a sports bra, but it's worth it. I'm a size 8 in this bra, for the record. They don't go by like cup size, but I'm a size 8 and it fits perfectly. And like I said, I have this blue one, and then I have this print. I just love these bras, so definitely recommend these Lululemon bras. And, oh no, I'm out of my lemonade. So, question of the day today is, what is your #1 favorite the past few weeks. Like, what have you been absolutely obsessed with in the past few weeks? Leave it in the comments below because I want to know. If I need it, you give me your recommendations. Tell me what you've been loving. All right, let's do it, y'all. Let's get this day started. Let's go get the boys, Bandit. Another favorite, my Chucks. Yes, I love them. I have them in a bunch of colors, but I think this is my favorite. I wear the black ones the most, but these are just a fun pop, if you will.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
I wonder what this does.
That clamps it on.
This thing?
Yes.
Oh.
Are you serious?
Oh! We had a quick change of plans. We are running to our best friend's house. She made me some gluten-free cupcakes that I'm super excited about. I'm on a cupcake, what's the word? A cupcake binge, maybe? Or like, I've been obsessed since sprinkles. So she made me some of those. We're gonna go get that. So basically, that's what I'm having for breakfast.
Yeah, I've been trying to find the cupcake ATM. I think there's only one.
I wonder if they have one in Dallas. There's the Sprinkles. I wonder if there's a Sprinkles ATM in Dallas. Because like it's worth the drive for special occasions. Like for my birthday, you should get me a dozen gluten-free Sprinkles cupcakes.
Dude,
you know?
For my birthday, you should get me a gallon of the Captain Crunch ice cream with some of their caramel.
I wonder if the Sprinkles in Dallas has the ice cream too, because we could take the kids there, like for a fun dessert night. We should plan that, and we could go to Top Golf in Dallas. We could make it like a whole thing, you know?
Yeah, we'll make it a whole thing. Let's make it a thing.
Right. Look at my box of cupcakes. She made it look like sprinkles. So cute.
There is. Yeah, I like pushing it, but
It's like
I was in my
Drunken Love.
sometimes I feel like
Same song.
what's it called? Like
Oh, you played me. It's too bright.
Oh, acid? Yeah.
What's that noise?
I don't know.
Oh, that's probably my video.
Turn it down.
Can you hear it?
Yes.
It's like a beeping.
This,
It hurts my ears.
Turn it down.
Is that doing it in your ears?
How do you not die?
What video is that?
It's full of stories.
Who's uploading that garbage?
Mr. Nightmare.
Look who we found.
Neither.
Brad's brother lives 2 doors down from us, so I always know, and his cousin lives next door. So if I can't find him, I go next door or to his bros. What's happening with the Mercedes?
We need to change the voltage regulator and the alternator.
Are y'all doing that right now?
He's ordering it. We're going to do it Tuesday when it comes in.
And when it's not raining, hopefully. What's up? Y'all ready to party?
We got a cat. Y'all ready to
Sup, bro? Sup? Yeah, it is.
You okay, bye-bye, camera. Oh, my fans. Okay, I'm back. Never mind.
Looks delicious. So I am gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna enjoy my dinner, which I was supposed to have for brunch. My eating is so messed up. My sleeping schedule, all of it is so messed up from being on vacation. But we got kids spending the night. We're gonna party. Brad's working tonight, so I'm riding solo with 4 boys in the house, so it should be a fun evening. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.